Welcome back to Wadjet Tech Talk. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming mid-range phones of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. This device is shaping up to be a true super sub-flagship thanks to Samsung's latest upgrades and a brand new chipset. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Wadjet Tech Talk for more future tech videos. The upcoming Galaxy A57 5G is expected to launch with Samsung's next-generation Exynos 1680 processor, which brings a significant improvement in performance compared to last year's Exynos 1580. Early benchmark leaks already show a major boost in graphics power, making this phone smoother for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. But the exciting part doesn't stop there. New information reveals fresh upgrades in connectivity. According to well-known leaker Mohamed Kartrion X, the Exynos 1680 has recently been spotted on the official Bluetooth 6 certification, confirming support for the latest Bluetooth 6.1 standard. This newer version offers better privacy, improved battery efficiency, and more stable wireless connections compared to Bluetooth 5.3 used in the previous A56. Since Samsung has already begun the certification process for the Exynos 1680, it's clear that the company is getting ready for an official launch soon. Last year's Exynos 1580 was introduced in October 2024, but this time the release schedule seems slightly delayed, making the A57 even more interesting. In terms of features, the Samsung Galaxy A57 is expected to pack 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB internal storage, along with a 6.7-inch display, likely brighter and more refined than last year's model. The phone may come with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 5,000 mAh battery, and support for 45 watts fast charging. It should run Android 16 with One UI 8 or 8.5, and Samsung is expected to provide up to 6 years of software support, which is incredible for a mid-range smartphone. Based on Samsung's typical launch timeline, both the Galaxy A57 and its sibling, the Galaxy A37, are expected to debut in March or April 2026. While the final price isn't confirmed yet, early estimates suggest the Galaxy A57 could be priced around $550 USD. So what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy A57 worth waiting for? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more tech news, upcoming smartphone leaks, and honest reviews, stay tuned and subscribe to Wadjet Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.